Kemboy, KTN.
Cabinet Secretary Hassan Joho has told American investors that Kenya is open for investment in the mining sector. Speaking at the US-Kenya Critical Supply Chains Conference in Nairobi, Joho highlighted Kenya's untapped mineral wealth and said the government has put in place regulatory frameworks and infrastructure to spur investment and value addition.
Kenya is ripe for investment. Kenya is ready for investment. The supportive infrastructure is being built and created for investment. Minerals is likely to be the greatest driver of turning around or diversifying our economy. For far too long, we've been depending on agriculture, service, and so on and so forth. And for obvious reasons, we're a tourism nation, we're a logistics hub, but now we're turning the page to become an industrious nation.
The wealth of the earth is probably the most primal source of wealth there is. And I think it is important for the United States to make sure that we are providing wealth for our citizens, as the Cabinet Secretary said. That is really the role of any government. So when we talk about an America First foreign policy, as President Trump has articulated, what we really mean by that is a foreign policy that makes our country more safe, more secure, and more prosperous. In other words, we need to be able to show our people that we're making their lives better through the policies of our government, including our foreign policy.
East African Breweries PLC